Good morning, guys. Today is an exciting day. I am finally, after 2 months, going grocery shopping. I know. Some of you guys may be wondering, Kiara, why is it that you have not gone grocery shopping? The answer for you guys is honestly that I have such a crazy schedule right now that I haven't really felt the need. I've been eating out a lot, which is good and bad. I've been doing so very cheaply. My fridge is empty, but I am finally ready to start getting my life together and actually cook food. I've done like mini shopping grocery trips, but not like the full-blown deal because I know this is gonna be a big one. I thought I'd bring you guys along today. I'm gonna show you guys how I plan my weekly meals as well as just other random things that I'm buying for my kitchen. It's gonna be like the biggest stock up I've ever done. I start my CNA program this week, so my life is finally getting into a routine. I'm excited about it. This is like the week of big change. I'm fixing my sleep schedule so I can start going to bed earlier and waking up earlier, and I'm finally getting food. Okay, so the first thing that I do, also, I'm sorry, my laundry is being done in the background, so if you hear that, that is why. First thing that I do is plan my meals for the week. I usually like to try 2 to 3 recipes. Sometimes I have like my go-to recipes, which are already memorized, but I find all of my stuff on Pinterest. And if you guys don't follow me on Pinterest, it's always linked down below. I try to organize them by meal. So I'll do like dinner ideas, lunch ideas, random recipe inspo. I have a bunch of really fun meals that are all things that I would enjoy eating. I definitely want to get the ingredients for this lime cilantro chicken. This coconut lime chicken is my favorite recipe, and I add a bunch of veggies to it, so I'm for sure gonna get stuff to make that. I'm gonna pick out maybe 1 or 2 more things that I want to cook. I'm gonna get my to-do list. I usually like to just keep this, what did I do to you? Oh. Are you like not allowed to put magnets on this? Someone tell me if I messed up my fridge. Keep a pen up here. I know, it's random, so that I can add stuff as I want. And I know I need pickles, so that's something I don't want to forget. This is the current state of my fridge. Honestly, you could say this is everything you need in your life. Cheese, drinks, jam, hummus, carrots. Things are looking a little bit grim. In my freezer, I just have some acai bowls and some Girl Scout cookies. These, by the way, are really good. Clean just sent me some of these. You guys know I'm obsessed with yerba mate, and these are yerbas, but they're sparkling. They have a bunch of really amazing flavors, and they actually donate 50% of the proceeds for addiction treatment, which is really cool. It's clean with a cause, but I'm really excited to drink those. I'm gonna make my list. First, I'm gonna put all of the things that I want on my list just to have in my kitchen that I need. Even things like peanut butter I don't have. We're gonna start fresh. I'm gonna make my list, and then we're gonna go grocery shopping together, and I'll do a whole haul showing you everything. I found my recipe that I wanna try. I have 3, or actually I have 4 recipes that I'm gonna do, but I've been dying to do this Bon Appetit vodka pasta. I'm gonna put the things on my list. So I'm gonna do the vodka pasta, this coconut lime chicken and veggies, these tacos that Katie and I always make together, this quinoa chickpea salad, which I think I have some of the ingredients for. Like I know I have the couscous, actually it's not quinoa. It's a couscous salad. My list continues, and I'm just gonna keep writing this out, and then we're gonna depart.
Just another sunny day. Southern California, it's where the people came to play. Don't let them transform you. Oh.
We have arrived at the glorious Trader Joe's. We're gonna go in, see how much that we can get, because usually when I go here, there's always just like 2 or 3 things that I can never get crossed off my list. So whatever happens, we might have to take another pit stop. The line does not look too long. Their stuff is usually really affordable, so that's why I'm excited to bulk up, stock up. I organized my list to the best of my ability so I can shop like in the order of the items that I need to purchase. So hopefully it'll go well and I can get in and out with minimal exposure. Mask is going on. Let's go shopping.
In Southern California.
Got out of there, we got a ton of stuff. I do want to go to one more store, so let's see if we can fit it in. I want to go to Whole Foods because they have this yogurt that I'm obsessed with from Elenos. It's like this pumpkin yogurt. We're gonna get the last of the things. There's only like 5 things that I just couldn't find, or I was like literally too stressed to keep going around the same aisles hunting for them. So we're gonna go get like our ginger chicken stock. What else couldn't I find? The garlic salt, they didn't have garlic salt. Yeah, we're gonna get a Whole Foods. I'm so glad we came to Whole Foods because I have this entire bag of corks from Katie's mom that I told her I would recycle for her, and they actually recycle these at Whole Foods. And actually I've seen them do it at New Seasons too. If we recycle them, they can be made into something, or they'll reuse them, I'm not sure. I cannot forget to get salsa. I don't really like their salsa at Trader Joe's, so Whole Foods has the good stuff. This is gonna be the true test of my strength. How many of these can I grab? Ta-da! Let me take all this stuff out and then let's do a little haul. All right, here we have the completed food haul. I put my Whole Foods stuff over there, but all of this is Trader Joe's, so I'm just gonna get started. A lot of this stuff is for ingredients for the dishes that I'm making, so if it seems like a little bit strange, that's why. We've got some backstock tomato sauce. This is for pickled onions, some Dijon mustard, peanut butter, soy sauce. I love olives, so these will be for different cheese platters or salads, or tomato paste for my pasta, avocado oil. This stuff is really expensive, but I'm completely out of it, and it's really good for frying things at high temperatures. Yeah, so I use it sparingly. We got lots of garbanzo beans, black beans, coconut milk. The only thing I couldn't find was canned corn. I don't know why I could not find it at Whole Foods or Trader Joe's, so I would like to get some of that eventually for my tacos. Butternut squash ravioli's super good, and it's a great thing. You can freeze it, or you can just have it for like a really quick dinner. Some chicken breast almond milk, because I might try to do some chia seed pudding again. Sliced sourdough, this also freezes really well if you want it to last a long time. I usually go to Grand Central Bakery, which is like our local bakery, to get their sliced sourdough, but I'm super busy this week, so I needed to just get some bread. So we got the bread. Corn tortillas, some fusilli. I'm not even sure if that's how you say it, but that's for my pasta dish. I love chips and salsa, and these chips are amazing, and I like how they're round, so you can scoop up the salsa really easily. I got a ton of vegetables, a whole array of bell peppers. These are great for bootables or stir fries. You can literally add them to anything. I got 4 avocados, limes for my dishes, a red onion for the tacos, a lemon, garlic, a shallot, sweet potato, and I think I got an apple as well. We got mushrooms, basil, zucchini. These are amazing for zucchini noodles. I have a little spiralizer, so I love zucchini squash. Actually, I usually get the organic kind because they're longer. These are just like very small. A cucumber for some salads and lunches that I'm making, cilantro, snow peas, parsley. This chicken curry is super easy for a really quick lunch when you're starving, and I think it's really filling. I got some plain Greek yogurt. This is for an avocado sauce that we make for our tacos. This was kind of like one of my treats that I got for myself. I got this pumpkin cream cheese spread. It just sounded really good, and I've had this before and it's amazing. I also forgot to show you, I skipped over these. I got these toffee chips. If you have ever had the toffee chips from See's Candy, these are actually, I think they're better than the See's Candy ones, but I'm getting these for my mom and I to share so that when we're proofreading all my nursing apps, we can bribe ourselves. We got some pesto. This is just great to have if I ever want to make like a little cold salad. I'm trying a new flavor of hummus. I usually get the Portland hummus, but I guess I could have waited and got that at Whole Foods. But anyway, I'm trying something new. The tabbouleh style hummus sounded really good. I love tabbouleh. Got some heavy whipping cream for our pasta sauce. This chili lime seasoning is so amazing, and for whatever reason I like didn't have it in my seasoning rack, so I replaced her. We got some jasmine rice. This is the frozen kind. It literally makes wonderful rice in 3 minutes. It's so easy. I think especially with me living alone, I'm gonna really like whipping up this quick rice rather than like waiting 20 minutes. I think it's kind of worth the price for me, but I will probably get some normal rice soon. We got tomatoes for my salads, and I think I actually should have gotten 2 of these because I don't think this is enough because I use tomatoes a lot. This cheese is amazing. If you haven't tried it yet, it's the cheddar cheese from Trader Joe's with the caramelized onions. It's amazing. Highly recommend. I got some Parmesan Romano Asiago cheese mix, and then we got some fresh mozzarella down there for like a little caprese salad. Reached the frozen food section. We got some frozen edamame. really good for bootables and it's a really good source of fibers. We got some cooked shrimp. This is really great with the zoodles. I got peas. I usually put my peas in mac and cheese, which I don't even have mac and cheese right now, but it's also good for other dishes. It would be good with the shrimp and the zoodles as well. These are my favorite, really quick, easy dinners when I'm feeling very lazy and I'm very hangry. Chicken tikka masala and this butter chicken, and then the yellow jackfruit curry with jasmine rice. All of these so amazing, so quick and easy. That is everything that I got from Trader Joe's. This was $146. I felt like I got quite a bit of stuff, especially a bunch of my canned goods that I wanted to stock up on, and this will definitely last me 2 weeks or more, honestly. And then we made our way to Whole Foods. My Whole Foods run cost me $26, which is crazy when you compare like all of that to this. That's why I don't always shop at Whole Paycheck. They do have some special things that I loved, so I kind of treated myself. I'm kind of picky about my breakfast. It's the only meal that I'm super weird about. I got this pumpkin Elenos yogurt because I love Greek yogurt and it's really filling and fueling. I got a whole blend for salads. This chicken broth is part of this recipe that I make. My delicious salsa. This is really good salsa. I'm a big fan. I really like the Sammy salsa. If you're in the Portland area and you can find that locally, get the Sammy salsa, but they didn't have it at Whole Foods. Then we got some red pepper flakes. These are great for cooking, probably with the zoodles and the shrimp. And the ginger is also for a dish, and I actually just use ginger all the time. And then this is my lunch for today. That's why they tell you to never go grocery shopping on an empty stomach, but I did, and I got myself sushi. I'm gonna go put this all away, and I'm gonna go study. My grand total for this entire spree was $143 plus $26. So we got $169.25. I honestly think that's not bad because now I can stop eating out and I can save a lot of this food and meal prep and make sure that I'm feeding myself lots of wonderful things. If you guys liked this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. For today's question of the day, let me know down below what your favorite thing from Trader Joe's is. The next time I go shopping, I can try some of your guys' favorite snacks. If you want to see some cooking videos and watch me meal prep, try to chef it up by myself, let me know. Bye.
I mean, you know I ain't lying, 'cause I hate